early days of summer, it's time to rediscover the wonder. Climb on the fire engine, splash around in the waterworks, blow bubbles, and scale the tree climber in Bill's backyard. Oodles of hands-on arts and culture, STEM, health, and nature-themed exhibits await your family. The Giant Purple Museum is open every day, Wednesday through Sunday. Reservations are required at cdm.org. That's cdm.org. जब हमारे परिवार के बुजुर्गों की सेहत और देखभाल की बात होती है तो घर पर इन होम केयर वाला ऑप्शन सबसे बढ़िया है। ऑनलॉक का पेस प्रोग्राम एक ऐसा कन्वीनियंट एंड पर्सनलाइज्ड ऑप्शन है जिसके जरिए हमारे बुजुर्ग घर पर हमारे साथ रहकर यही देखभाल और सेवा का लाभ उठा सकते हैं। अब चाहे वो घर पर रहे या ऑनलॉक वाले पेस सेंटर में आए, उनको वही डेडिकेटेड एंड प्रोफेशनल केयर मिलेगी। ऑनलॉक ने बुजुर्गों की सेहत को अपना प्रायोरिटी बना लिया है। और जानने के लिए 1855-308-0195 पे कॉल करें। That's 1855-308-0195। Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam! Bam Bam!
नमस्कार
Namaste.
నమస్కారం
Vanakkam.
ఖుషామదీ
Assalamu alaikum.
सत श्री अकाल
మీకు అందరికి వందనము.
जय स्वामीनारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जिनेंद्र
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं याली मदद.
मलाली मदद बोलते हैं सारे फीजे मतलब मलंगनी सांबला बटजान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं से फालतू बाबा
And of course myself फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए और ड्राइव टाइम शो that's gonna make it totally romantic and totally मस्तानी बंधु जान है.
लाडला बजाते हम ट्यूसडेस आ गया है ट्यूसडे को तैयार फालतू व्हाट अ लवली ट्यूसडे इट इज हां आउटसाइड
Yeah.
हाँ साउथ टावर्स बर्निंग and we are smelling smoke and what a lovely time to think about love.
And there is some accident on Montague Expressway,
no.
Banujan, somewhere on San Tomas Expressway, that area.
Uh-huh.
A whole bunch of, I hope people are safe and there's no casualties because I saw 4 fire engines rushing there. So.
Well, you know, this morning also, Barujan, there actually was a fire. No, yesterday there was a fire in the same area, Montague side, on 680. Oh, huge black smoke, Barujan. Anyway, Barujan, right now let's not worry about those. Let's focus on something very nice and lovely. And yes, Meenakshi ji, welcome. Faltoni ka favorite Teyamo Tuesdays hai. So, of course, Faltoni, we were also saying hi to you, saying hello, loveliest.
Oh,
lovelies बोला lovelies बोला तेरे को बोला हाँ तो बच्चन यस तो आज
उसने सभी को बोला
सुनो मेरी बात सुनो फादर फुल्ली सुनो मेरी बात ये जब तेयामो ट्यूसडेज होती है ना तेयामो इज वन टॉपिक व्हिच आई कैन नॉट कमेंट मच अबाउट
That's true, actually. Yeah.
So why don't you take it on and tell us what we're going to talk about today?
Absolutely, Manajan. Manajan, हम लोग बहुत दिनों से ये रोमांटिक एंगल नहीं लेकर आए हैं. हमेशा जब तेयामो करने की कोशिश करती हूँ तो कुछ ना कुछ निकल जाता है या तो कि तेयामो इज लाइक ओ इट ओनली मेक्स पीपल वीप रोमांटिक बोले तो मैन क्राइज फॉर रोमांटिक सॉन्ग्स ऐसे ऐसे अल्दुआ बोलता है या तो बोलता है कि ठरकी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ अ तेयामो सॉन्ग आ जाता है तो लेकिन आज प्योर वैनिला तेयामो होगा लाइक गुड फील गुड लव स्टोरीज के बारे में बात होगी आज हमारे शो पे एंड ऐसे स्टोरियों की बात होगी जहाँ पे of course you're welcome to call in and share which is the most romantic moment or most romantic movie that you saw in any or in the recent past or according to you आपके जहन में कौन सा वाला most romantic लगता है. I'm not talking about a romantic song, okay? I'm specifically talking about what was extremely romantic about the movie. What did you like the most about the movie? आपको कॉल करके बताना है 408-912-2479 पे. नहीं तो आज ब्यूटीफुल रोमांटिक गाने भी बजेंगे आपके लिए. चंद सवाल भी करेंगे. वील टॉक अबाउट सर्टन लव स्टोरीज. वी पुट आवर ओन ट्विस्ट to the way we deliver those love stories to you, Banjan. And of course, if you'd like to participate on the show and if you want to identify make out that movie Mangalwar or what we call Teamo Tuesdays. आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करना है 408-912-2479 पे. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर है 408-912-2479. Now we're going to kick it off. This is this classic movie story. And it's regarded as one of the iconic movies of Indian cinema. उस मूवी के स्टोरी के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं. ओके बंदजान, इसमें स्टोरी का सिनॉप्सिस, जनरली एक बॉय एक गर्ल होता है, राइट, इन अ मूवी. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी. ओके, आई विल गिव यू इन वेरी प्लेन लैंग्वेज द स्टोरी ऑफ द of this particular movie, and you have to identify ये कौन सी मूवी है. एंड यहाँ पे कॉल करके आपको बताना है कि आप कुछ मूवियों के बारे में इतने डिटेल्स याद नहीं रहते हैं. देयर आर लॉट, we have seen so many movies, it's almost impossible to keep track of all the romantic details of the movie. So let's relive that romance. A lot of times, like yesterday.
But is that true that you cannot keep track of all the romantic
No.
moments?
Yeah.
Really?
I think it's true.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
you kind of you kind of forget, or it falls by the wayside because life happens to you.
Right? Because it's not real anyways.
Yeah. So no, what? Anyway, Marjan, so ignore him because he doesn't get the te amo part. प्यार क्या हो तो तब जानेगा ना.
प्यार क्या हो तो.
हाँ, तो उसको I don't know if there's anybody or not, लेकिन वो समझ नहीं
Segregating
पाएगा.
much, very good. Thank you so much. That's what you actually. That's a hypocrite word you're speaking about already.
Okay, Altu Baba.
Inclusive
Do you want
बातें
me to
करते
give
लेकिन.
the storyline?
हाँ तो दे ना
Yeah,
बाबा, तो
okay.
दे. But you talk about inclusion, talk about respecting people's viewpoints.
Oh my God! Yeah. Why is pyar not real? Is that what you want to make the show about today again?
I said the pyar. According, you said they forget about things because people forget things. They cook up.
Huh?
Yeah. Lies, you forget lies, right? Always easily you forget lies.
Why is it lies?
You said that they forget things, love.
How would you remember every romantic detail of a movie?
If you really are romantic, you'll remember every detail
No,
of the
you
movie.
won't.
Let's
You don't
test it out. No, let's ask
necessarily
our bandhus and see, I believe our bandhus are very romantic is what I feel. So
Yes.
remember all the romantic things.
Right.
Huh.
Nice to see you, Anna ji. Thank you so much. And hello to all the bandhus out there. Absolutely. And Vibhash Sakri ji, nice to see you too. Meenakshi Sharma ji, thank you so much for pamming right at the very beginning of the show. So today is a show where you get to explore and enjoy the romantic moments, Manijan, without fear of retribution or judgment by Altu Baba. So if he does also with this, it's okay.
I never offer. I am always a person. Thank you so much, Anand ji. That's true. I believe in love, but the thing is, sometimes people. I don't think people understand what love is, and that's when I actually challenge their thought. Nothing else.
So, get ready, Banujan. I'm going to give you a storyline which is supposed to be one of the most romantic movies of Indian cinema. I think it's a little corny, but again, it's supposed to be a really, really romantic movie. It ran for 25 plus years. Okay?
25 plus years.
Yeah.
Come on. I know what movie. So easy.
Yeah.
Now people know about it.
So, this is what happens. Boy meets girl on a train. Boy is a spoiled brat. Girl is an NRI, but with a very conservative upbringing. Boy falls in love with girl, but girl's pop takes her back. And I think girl also starts to fall in love with the boy, crushing over the boy. But he takes her back to India to get her married in the traditional style. Boy takes along, oh God, this is written by Altu for sure. He takes along a cowbell and follows the girl to her village.
Let me tell you one thing. Now that's what the whole show to be about. Those small things of love, the simple nothings, Fatrani. It's not telling you, gestures of love.
And follows the girl to her village and proves to her pops that he is the best choice. But usual dishum and masala, rona, dhona, and a little bit later and a climax here and there. Finally, the boy picks up and gets on to a train and leaves. Now the girl is finally, she catches the running train. And because especially when her dad gives her permission to go, so they've क्या कहते हैं, you can have the cake and eat it too. Dad is also happy because he realized that the girl loves the boy loves the girl, and the boy are also happy because they both get on the same train.
There's one particular scene in the movie, but I'll tell you why. Because Faltoni just challenged me and now saying that people, they'll remember all the lovely gestures, right? So let's see. Instead of giving a lamba chora story, Faltoni, talk about the gestures of love. That's important. Action of love, right?
What, the
Like the cowbell? Or for the matter how the father always uses one particular phrase called ah, when actually reality should be ja.
Oh God.
That's what lesson he learns, no? नमस्कार, आपका हर बात है आज के तेयामो ट्यूसडे में. Who's this? Hello. Oh my God, Faltoni. Somebody said interval के बाद कॉल करेंगे.
बंधुजन, हम आपसे पूछ रहे हैं ये कौन सी मूवी का स्टोरी लाइन अभी आपको सुनाया, कौन से मोस्ट आइकॉनिक रोमांटिक मूवी ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा था. तो आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करना है 408-912-2479. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट कर लीजिएगा, 408-912-2479. दैट्स अ नंबर फॉर यू टू कॉल इनटू द स्टूडियोज. हेलो पैम पैम, कौन है जी?
हाय पैम पैम,
मीनाक्षी जी, कैसे हैं आप?
एकदम बढ़िया. आप दोनों कैसे हैं?
मैं तो फर्स्ट क्लास. उसके बारे में कुछ बोल नहीं सकता मैं. आज तो उसका तेयामो ट्यूसडे निकल रहा है अभी.
हाँ,
आपको तो मालूम है मैं कैसी हूँ मीनाक्षी जी.
जब देखो गुस्से
जब
में
आप
हमेशा ही बहुत अच्छी होती है.
आप-
थैंक यू.
या
जब आप
वो
कॉल
कह
करते
रही
हैं
है कि-
और भी अच्छा लगता है.
जब
थैंक यू सो
वो
मच.
बेटे कह रही है कि फातिमा तो ऑलवेज हॉट है, हॉट हेडेड.
ओ माय गॉड. आलतू बाबा, अपने हिसाब से क्या कहते हैं, अपने आप से अर्थ मत निकालो शब्दों का.
अच्छा, तो मीनाक्षी जी बताइए ना, आपने पहचान लिया है इसका लंबा चौड़ा आंसर? क्वेश्चन था कौन सा फिल्म में?
दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
हाँ, तो लेकिन
बहुत
इससे-
easy था ना?
बहुत
बहुत
easy
easy था.
ए, लंबा स्टोरी देगी तो obviously easy हो जाएगा. Talk about the gestures. That is a challenge. You know, had you asked, did you know that there was a cowbell involved in the whole movie?
यस.
हाँ, मालूम था. अच्छा ठीक है, तो आप एक काम कीजिएगा, एक ऐसा लवली जेस्चर बोलूंगा आपको, राइट? एंड देन आपको बोलना पड़ेगा कि ये कौन से फिल्म का है, राइट?
ठीक है, आई विल ट्राई.
एक बंदा who's totally in love with his wife. He is separated from her, but he gets to a disco and on the floor he literally rolls and dances for her, calling her very beautiful. But he's separated from her. देखा? They don't remember. She would have seen the movie for sure.
कैन यू रिपीट?
So the guy,
कुछ strike किया है मुझे,
the guy is very much in love with his hero. It's a love marriage. They would have had a love marriage, right? But he's separated from his wife, right? उसको बहुत प्यार करता है कि वो इतना पागल से प्यार करता है कि वो एक गाना गाता है जहाँ पे she is not there in person, but फिर भी उसको याद करते हुए he dances on the floor, like he rolls on the floor and dances.
ओके, तो जग घूमिया वाला
देखा
सुल्तान.
मुझे मालूम है आप डेफिनेटली इसका आंसर दोगे. फाल्तनी देखो, ये होता है जेस्चर्स. देखा? She also wishes God Sahib actually does that to her also. Goes rolls on the floor and sings for her, no?
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, that's a signature thing, na, in the movie.
हाँ, वही ना. That is what is important, Faltani. The signature gestures of love is important, right?
Yeah, even for that previous movie, DDLG, cowbell will do.
Exactly. देखा Faltani? That is what is. देखो Faltani भी सोच रही है क्या है यार ये, ऐसा क्या पूरा चेंज कर दिया मेरा टॉपिक.
तो आप बताइए मीनाक्षी जी कि आपके हिसाब से क्या DDLJ was a romantic movie according to you?
हाँ, ठीक थी, अच्छी थी.
हाँ, तो आपके हिसाब से उस मूवी में मोस्ट रोमांटिक मोमेंट कुछ याद है आपके लिए, या आपके हिसाब से कोई और मूवी का बहुत ही रोमांटिक मोमेंट आप शेयर करना चाहेंगी?
So basically, she said the cowbell is not at all a good moment.
I don't think the cowbell.
I would ask you. I've not
It
seen the
didn't
movie.
even register for me.
Because that's not love, no, for you.
आलतू बाबा
Simple
materialistic things पे नहीं
That is
जाता
not
है.
materialistic. That's actually very. But I want to ask you one question. I mean, actually, why does he bring the cowbell?
क्या?
Why does he bring the cowbell? क्यों लेके आता
I
है?
don't think she also would have paid attention to a cowbell. You're the only
I
one who
have
would have
not
thought
seen the
about
movie,
all those
dude.
things.
Dude, I've not seen the
नहीं
movie.
नहीं, वो काउबेल इसलिए लेकर आती है ऐसा, लाइक अपने ये डोर के बाहर टांगने के लिए. उसे पसंद होती है काउबेल इसलिए.
Oh, देखा? Because she likes it, he
See, I
brought
don't
it.
even remember that.
See, that's why, Falguni, you should remember all these small things of love, not just talk about empty, you know? Very good. So, thank you
I
so
didn't
much.
talk about it empty. I didn't even know about it. You
So
put it in
तूने
the
उसको नजरअंदाज कर दिया, Falguni. जब प्यार करते हो नजरअंदाज नहीं कभी करते.
हाँ cowbell को.
आप कुछ भी हो.
घंटा बजाना
वही तो है कॉम्बेल्स घंटा यू नो
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
एग्जैक्टली वेरी गुड तो मीनाक्षी जी थैंक यू सो मच आपने कॉल करके मुझे सपोर्ट किया really
नहीं
appreciate.
आप बताइए कि आपके हिसाब से तुम्हें कोई ने सपोर्ट नहीं किया नथिंग मीनाक्षी जी आप उसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हो क्या
नहीं,
यू
नहीं,
बिलीव
सभी
दैट
लोग-
इट्स नॉट रियल
सभी लोग तेरे को सपोर्ट कर रहे पाते हैं तो खुश रहे
नहीं आलतू बाबा
खुश रहे
मैं फालतू को सपोर्ट कर रही हूँ
हाँ,
क्योंकि फालतू में
देखा?
ही आलतू है।
एग्जैक्टली आप उसको सपोर्ट करो ऐसे मत बोलो बुरा मान जाती है वो
तो नहीं मीनाक्षी जी आप विषय से क्यों भटकते हो हमेशा
मैं
आलतू?
भटक रहा हूँ, भाई वो तो हंस रही है आई एम आल्सो एंजॉयिंग इट अच्छा है
अच्छा।
हाँ
ठीक है था सो इफ देयर इज एनीथिंग एल्स यू कैन थिंक ऑफ व्हिच इज अ रियली रोमांटिक मूवी और अ रोमांटिक स्टोरी या बताइए मीनाक्षी जी कुछ है आपके जहन में कुछ आ रहा है एनी अदर मूवी और
नहीं
any
मुझे वो मूवी बड़ी अच्छी लगती है
other- कौन सी
बातों बातों में तो
Oh.
अमोल पालेकर की जो बासु चटर्जी वाली 2-3 मूवीज है ना छोटी सी बात
हाँ।
रजनीगंधा बड़े वो रोमांटिक साउंड करती है उनसे वो
Correct.
वी कैन रिलेट विद देम
So-
ऐसा कोई वो ऐसा सपनों वाला ऐसा कुछ उन्होंने ऐसे सीन नहीं क्रिएट कर रखा कि हर कोई उससे रिलेट कर सकता है
तो
स्टोरी से
तो बातों बातों में आई मीन अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई डोंट रिकॉल हैविंग सीन दैट मूवी तो क्या बहुत रोमांटिक लगा आपको कौन सा वाला सीन मतलब व्हाट इज
उनका ट्रेन में प्यार शुरू होता है वो दोनों
सुनिए।
लोकल ट्रेन में
कहिए,
सफर करते हैं तो
कहिए।
एक दूसरे को देखते हुए प्यार शुरू हो जाता है फिर उसका अंकल उससे बातें कराना शुरू करता है तो ट्रेन से उनका प्यार डेवलप होना शुरू होता है फिर वो बीचेस पे पहुंच जाता है कैसे उनके बीच में लड़ाई हो जाती है और फिर कैसे रिकंसिलिएशन होता है एंड दैट लीड्स टू लाइक मैरिज
No,
बड़ा
I-
क्यूट सी लव स्टोरी है
Yeah, and also like the songs are very nice in that. ना बोले तुम ना
हाँ,
मैंने कुछ
exactly.
कहा वो भी फिल्म का है. And उठे सबके कदम ही उसी फिल्म का right? Which actually yeah, and also one more song is very nice.
That is सुनिए कहिए.
हाँ बातों में
बातों में प्यार हो जाएगा,
I know. Oh, that's cute songs. Wow. Okay, so simple,
मूवी
सादगी वाली love
है
story.
बड़ी अच्छी है
तो
Very nice.
मतलब मीनाक्षी are you sending a message to me that I should keep talking to people? So sweet. देखा उन्होंने सही मुझे मैसेज दिया
No, but before that, you first need to get on a train, Altu Baba, and go somewhere.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
मैं तो वेट करो जाने के यहाँ पे जाकर कहाँ छोड़ रहे हैं यार माय गुडनेस 12 साल से कोई वेकेशन नहीं
आपसे
लिया
छुट्टी आपकी जाओ आप
हाँ,
अगर वापस कभी आना तो किसी को पकड़ के लेके
हाँ.
आओ।
हाँ, मैं तो जाऊंगा डेफिनेटली चलो ये ट्राई कर देंगे सो सेइंग दैट द स्लाइट लव जेस्चर और देयर इज द फैक्ट ऑफ सिटिंग एंड हैविंग कन्वर्सेशन विद पीपल बातों में राइट वेरी गुड
Right.
सो स्वीट
So sweet. Okay, awesome. Perfect. Thank you so much कि आपने वो शेयर किया. उस मूवी का एक गाना जरूर आपके लिए आज बजेगा 100%.
थैंक यू
So, thank you so much for calling in and have a beautiful, fantastic evening.
You
Meenakshi
too.
ji, सुनते
Bye-bye.
रहिएगा. Bye.
Hey, I thought you gonna play Jagumia for her.
Okay, we can play बातों में also.
She'll be so happy, no? We play
Yeah.
Salman Khan, her love, you know, her fan. I mean, she's a fan of Salman Khan, so.
You gave away 2 movies. Now I have to.
What?
Okay, fine,
I
go ahead.
get. Hey, think of many movies, Father. Come on, I have total faith in your creativity. So, which song do you want to play right now? Do you want to play a song for the movie which you talked about, the cowbell thing?
Whatever doesn't matter, Altu Baba.
What
just
song do you want to
any
play
song.
from? What song do you want to Today is your day, Father. DDLJ में कौन सा गाना तेरे को पसंद है बताओ?
Ah,
सबसे पसंदीदा गाना कौन सा
we
था?
didn't ask Meenakshi ji that.
You didn't
Cha.
ask. See, how?
We'll ask this Bandhu.
How could you
Let
miss
this
that?
Bandhu pick.
Okay, नमस्कार आपका हर स्वागत है पैम पैम के तेमो Tuesdays में. Who's this? Hello.
Pam Pam,
पैम पैम कैसे हैं आप?
I'm awesome. How are you guys?
Very good. आपने अपने आप को करेक्ट किया मतलब ऑफिस ऑसम नहीं थे लेकिन अभी बन गया ना? Yes.
Some days are awesome, some days are good.
Some days are good. Very good. अब बैकग्राउंड में थोड़ा जनरेटर ऑफ कर दो ना.
Generator, there's nothing on here.
We
I
hear
don't know,
kind
we
of
hear like a static sound, but that's okay.
That's
हाँ.
okay. We are fine. We can work around it. So Faltun, you have a question for Vibha?
Yes. तो विभा जी अभी एक और मूवी है जो एक नहीं 3 किस्म की लव स्टोरी को एक्सप्लोर करती है.
Oh, so sweet.
ओके हाँ तो इट इज अ लव स्टोरी बिटवीन फ्रेंड्स 3 दोस्त होते हैं जिनके बीच एक सॉर्ट ऑफ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग दरार पैदा हो जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द लव स्टोरी ऑफ वन ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स
Aha.
जहाँ पे दोनों तीनों कॉलेज के दोस्त हैं, लेकिन एक बहुत ही ओवर प्रैक्टिकल है जो बोलता है कि 100% वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू रिमेन दिस वे बिकॉज लाइफ इज गोइंग टू गेट इन द वे करके।
हाँ।
फिर उसके बाद
Someone like me.
कुछ होता है कि एक बंदे का क्रश होता है, वो एक लेडी के ऊपर, एंड उनके उस लेडी को डिनर पे लेके जाता है उसके दोस्तों के साथ, और उसके एक दोस्त कुछ कमेंट मारता है उस लेडी के बारे में।
हाँ.
तो फिर उन दिनों के बीच एक दरार सा पड़ जाता है, एंड देन one dost has a falls in love with somebody who's unavailable, in the sense that
One has his heart on the sleeves.
And that's the one that wears his heart on his sleeve and walks around. The other one is in love with somebody who's older than him, who rejects his love.
The one loved
And the
himself.
other one is so much in love with himself that he's such a narcissist, he barely thinks about anybody else, but realizes that he falls in love with this girl who
But end of the day, he gets Pete Zinta.
who is again shh.
Oh, I gave out the whole plot.
Yeah.
Oh no, I gave out the plot totally.
It's the Amir Khan movie, मुझे नाम नहीं आ रहा, which has all those really good songs. कोई कहे कहता है, that one. What is the name of that movie? Amir Khan, Preeti Zinta, Akshay Khanna, Saif Ali Khan, right?
हाँ.
कौन सा मूवी है?
Movie दिल चाहता है.
Exactly.
So question to you was what she put a question to Meenakshi ji. Do you think Dil Chahta has a love story? No?
Dil चाहता is many love stories.
Yes.
Many love stories.
Yes, it is indeed many different love stories, right? It's
What do you remember as a gesture of love in that movie?
what is really romantic?
One romantic gesture in that movie.
I think when Akshay Khanna paints a picture of Dimple Kabadia, I think that is
I like the way you say
romantic.
Dimple Kabadia. It's Kapadia, right? Not Kabadia.
Yeah, goodbye.
चलो वो जो भी है.
Kabadi मतलब वो the person who actually takes scraps. Yeah.
Okay, Dimple Kabadia.
Okay,
You happy
fine.
now?
Perfect. Very good. Very good. लेकिन उस फिल्म में आपका फेवरेट गाना कौन सा है? रोमांटिक गाना कौन सा है आपको उस फिल्म में?
The one between Amir Khan and Preeti Zinta.
And they don't have romantic
लोग
song.
प्यार करते हैं.
Oh, तन्हाई, right?
No, जाने क्यों लोग प्यार करते हैं?
जाने क्यों लोग प्यार करते हैं.
That's not a romantic song. आप भी सही में.
Of course, it is a
It is
romantic
an
song.
anti-romantic song.
It is. He's trying to figure out what love is all about, and then and by the end of the song, he figures it out. I think also the song that Akshay Khanna and Dimple
कैसी
Kabadia
है
के बीच में, वो भी
ये
अच्छा गाना
रुत
था.
की
तो आप
जिसमें
एक बताओ मुझे. I can only play one song. What song will be?
दिल खिले.
What song? What song?
वही जो जाने क्यों लोग प्यार करते हैं. My favorite song.
Done. Okay. आपके लिए वो गाना लगा देंगे. ठीक है. शंकर सन लॉय कॉम्पोजिशन है भाई. Obviously has to be lovely song. हाँ.
तो ये बताइए आपके हिसाब से, ओके ये स्टोरी तो मैंने दिया था, आपके हिसाब से मोस्ट रोमांटिक जो आपने देखी है हमारी हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, या कोई ऐसी मूवी जहाँ पे मूवी शायद रोमांटिक ना हो लेकिन बहुत रोमांटिक मोमेंट्स हो मूवी में, कुछ याद है आपको? कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
मूवी अगर आप परमिशन दो तो मूवी को छोड़ के कैन आई शेयर अ पर्सनल स्टोरी?
Oh, so sweet. What did Karun do to you? For you.
It's not very romantic, but it's quite funny. और ये स्टोरी मुझे याद आई वो बेल का सुन के ना, जो DDLJ में बेल होती है.
हाँ.
आपके लिए भी लेकर आए क्या?
It's not romantic, it's funny. So what happened was, as you know, हमारी arranged marriage हुई थी. So when Karun came to Africa to meet me for the first time, to meet us for the first time, he was on a trip with his sister and brother-in-law, and he was in Europe, he was in Switzerland, and he didn't want to come to Africa to meet me. He was like, I'm not going to go all the way to Africa to meet one girl. And but then anyway, his mother had already met me, so she put pressure on him. No, we've already met these people. You need to go meet this girl, and he didn't want to come. But anyway, so he came. I mean, he didn't know if this was gonna work out or not. But he bought like a little souvenir, and the souvenir that he brought for our family or for my parents was, those typical European clocks you have that have the key and uski chabi tum ghumao aur fir wo it works. And it's like a cuckoo clock. And he presented that to my parents when he came, and then he left, and then he took a few months to decide if I was the right person or not. And you know, the whole time that stupid clock, it never worked. I would keep winding it up and it wouldn't work. And I was like, man, this guy picked out the worst clock in the store and gave it to us. And I just think that's a really funny story. और जब आपने cowbell का किस्सा सुनाया, I just instantly thought of that. So, I mean, I don't know if you think the story is
Dude,
is
I
really
totally
funny, but
love
I
it.
think
You
it's
know
a
why?
funny story.
क्या
Hey, hello.
विभा?
I totally
That
love
it
it.
doesn't work. क्या?
Hey, hello. I'll tell you what. You don't understand this, Faltoni. It's a gesture of love, right? It's a gesture of love. What he told your parents was, I am totally cuckoo for your wife, your daughter. And it did not work because cuckoo went back.
जो बंदा कुकू होता है ना, वो हाँ बोल के जाता है.
नहीं,
वो
नहीं,
ये
नहीं,
कहता
आप
कि मैं
समझे
3
नहीं,
महीने
बाबा,
पहले तुम्हें
आप-
मिलाऊंगा, मैं सोचूंगा, फिर
देखो,
बताऊंगा
आप ना, you are
if I
winding
want
it
to
up too
marry
much.
her or not.
नहीं नहीं, आप don't wind it up too much. That's what the idea is to make sure. See, the message over here was, मैंने आपको clock दिया है, लेकिन कुकू मैं हूँ ना, मैं चला गया वहाँ से. So when he came back, it worked right afterwards.
Oh God.
I just think that was a really funny thing, and
Yeah.
even now whenever we argue, I'm like, you brought us the crappiest clock you could find.
No, no, no,
And the
please.
boy-
I didn't know at that time कि शादी हमारी होएगी या नहीं. I said no, it's not about that. I said, so you go give people crappy gifts if you don't know if
Excuse
it's gonna
me.
work out.
He
or not.
sent a
Wait.
message to you.
Okay, what is the message you're trying to send? We're talking about romance. We're talking about pyar.
No,
We're
no,
talking
no,
about
I told you guys at the beginning of the story, this is not romantic at all. It's silly and it's stupid and it's just a funny story I wanted to share.
Yeah, no, very good. So what I'm saying is, it was a message he sent you. There are two things. One is that,
Guys,
मैं आपके
guys,
daughter के लिए कुकू हो गया हूँ
guys.
totally.
नहीं, I know what-
Second thing is, here you
Also,
go.
Baba,
सुनो ना.
tell me something.
Wait
This
now.
guy is cuckoo over the girl, and then when he calls,
Wait, let me finish.
Wait. Vibha,
If you're asking which guy, is very simple. Pointed at Karun only.
Yeah.
All
no,
fingers
no,
pointing
no, no,
Karun.
but which guy will
Let me
call
finish, let me
and
finish.
then not talk to the girl
Let
and
me
say, can I
finish.
talk to your
No,
dad?
no. There कुछ लोग होते हैं ऐसे शर्मिंदे like me. When I express, I hold on to all my feelings. The point is, I'm introvert, right? So that doesn't matter. But point is, he gave that message. Okay, I'm a cuckoo for your daughter. And second thing is, he said, लीजिए कि आपके लिए clock है. I'm going to take some time to respond.
Actually, you
No,
know,
no,
that
wait.
second thought that you said, that is actually what I was thinking.
No,
So,
wait.
You know, I'm a procrastinator and it takes me a long time to make a decision.
So I understand procrastination very well. I know procrastination.
Well, so wait.
यहाँ पे
It
भी-
could
यहाँ
also
पे
be
भी
this.
एक महा procrastinator बैठे हुए हैं.
एक minute. It could also be this. He
हाँ.
probably gave you a clock, knowing full well it's not working, saying that meeting you, time stood still for him.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
That
Faltoni.
is romantic.
Only,
Wow.
That is romantic. From there.
He must have gone to some kabaddi in Scotland,
From
bought
there
a
on.
non-working clock.
Yes.
Wow, possible.
It's so beautiful that
Yes.
time has stood still for me.
Beautiful.
Ever
Faltoni.
since
Yeah,
like
yeah,
he
no.
met
क्या
you.
फेंकी तूने? My God, tell you seriously, love is all about फेंकू only.
No.
So very good. So he
What
gave you a
nonsense.
broken clock. You're saying, huh?
Love is about फेंकू. What nonsense.
That's what he
कुछ
said,
भी
no.
कुछ भी बोलेगा.
But anyway,
Hey,
people
मैंने
love
आपसे
this
क्या पूछा और आपने क्या आंसर दिया?
मीनाक्षी
चलो ठीक है,
is loving
मैंने
it.
आपको हंसाना था. I wanted you guys to have a good laugh. So what is a greater gesture of love than to make people laugh?
Wow. Oh my God, don't say that because I make people laugh and I don't think I know what love is.
I think you do.
Ah.
You just don't know. You just don't know. You know.
Oh God.
दीपा जी सही मैं शर्मिला टाइप का हूँ. Yes, I am very शर्मिला by the way.
Who's very Sharmila?
Me. अच्छा बात है विभा जी तो very good. I like the story very much and please करुण जी को बोलना he has touched my heart. मैं को लग गया कि आपसे कितना प्यार करता है मालूम हो गया. मतलब देखो फाल्तोनी की एक्सप्लेनेशन देखो. Don't take my explanation.
No, the reverse is actually the truth. right?
No. Hey, विभा जी please मेरी बात मानो, okay? Because फाल्तोनी explanation is totally right. He gave you a clock which stopped working because for him, after seeing you, time just stood still, right, Faltoni? It's like a picture you take, right?
हाँ.
Like a picture, like
हाँ, बस
तस्वीर बनाता हूँ.
यही तो सोच के खुश हो जाते हैं.
वो गाना नहीं सुना विभा?
हाँ.
One moment in time. वो गाना नहीं सुना? So that's his destiny with you. So
Yeah.
that's the message he was sending. So सोचने का अरे यार
Very
हमारा
good.
परसेप्शन पे जाता है विभा जी, आपको तो मालूम है, अगर कोई हमारे आलतू बाबा से सीखो कोई भी किसी पे भी कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट किसी और को भी दे रहा हो, आलतू अपने लिए लेता है कॉम्प्लीमेंट, बोलता है कि हाँ थैंक यू, एंड ही विल टेक दैट एंड ही विल मेक इट हैपन लाइक एज इफ इट्स फॉर
Do
हिम.
you know what
I
it
have,
is?
I have the opposite problem. I have a hard time accepting compliments, but I believe that one of the biggest gifts you can give to somebody is a genuine compliment. And
Yeah.
if you see something something nice in somebody, you should always say it, because you never know.
Correct.
You know, that could make that person's day or that person's life. You know, I've read stories about people smiling at, you know, total strangers who were about to, you know, kill themselves, and then that one smile or that one sentence made, you know, made the entire difference. So for me, the love and the expression of love and or liking or is very, very, very important and integral.
Vibhaji, we love you totally. Okay?
Nah,
But
I
not
love
as
you
much
guys.
as Karun ji, because Karun gave you a stop which the clock which stopped.
Yeah.
A stopped clock.
Story, Suna. I'm very interested to see what version of that story he'll tell you. He's not hearing me right now, but let's see. Next time you see him, let's see what he tells you.
Thank you so much, Vibhaji. देखो perspective है. I wear the love goggles always, so I can see everything in those things. So gestures very important. Yeah,
You
gestures.
all love goggles. You all love
Okay,
goggles.
okay, Faltani. New word, Faltani. Fine, you're the person. So please, everybody, please praise Faltani because she needs it right now. कुछ अच्छा बोल के जाओ यार. जब Vibhaji, what is this?
We love Falsu Rani.
I said, नहीं, that's too plain. That doesn't like, you got to go one level above with that. You
नहीं
gotta-
नहीं मुझे
you want a
मुझे
proper
तारीफ की
compliment.
जरूरत नहीं है.
Hey,
मुझे
Faltani.
मालूम है I love you and you love me too.
Oh,
That's good.
so
Yeah,
sweet.
he
देखा?
knows. Tell me,
I
we
know.
don't need to talk about
नहीं
it.
नहीं तारीफ नहीं अरे बाबा तारीफ नहीं
नहीं आलतू बाबा
appreciation.
कोई जरूरत नहीं है. तो तुम्हें बोल की कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. प्लीज आप चुप ही रहो इसके बारे में. नो वरी.
तुम्हें पता तू डिसाइड कर ले तू आज
हाँ,
तुम्हें रिस्पेक्ट देने की नहीं दे रही है
हाँ.
मैं तेरा गुरु हूँ,
क्या
नहीं।
करूँ, आदत से मजबूर हूँ. आदर देती हूँ, आदर करती हूँ लोगों का.
में दार में
दार दे रही है हाँ तो वही करेगा तो दार से मजबूर है. वेरी गुड. तो विभा जी थैंक यू सो मच. आपके लिए गाना लगेगा बट कौन सा गाना मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया. कल फादर ने व्हाट गाना प्ले विभा.
विभा,
जाने क्यों लोग प्यार करते हैं, सब दिल चाहता है.
हाँ माय गॉड मेरे दिल की बात है. वेरी गुड थैंक यू सो मच. दिल चाहता है बड़जन. A beautiful song. अलका याग्निक की आवाज बड़जन along with उदित नारायण. Music by Shankar Ehsaan Loy. Lyrics by Javed Akhtar Saab. Film directed by, was it director debut right of his? Farhan Akhtar.
जाने क्यों लोग प्यार करते हैं, जाने क्यों वो किसी पे मरते हैं, जाने क्यों लोग प्यार करते हैं, जाने क्यों वो किसी पे मरते हैं, जाने क्यों, जाने क्यों, जाने क्यों, जाने क्यों, जाने क्यों. प्यार में सोचिए तो बस हम है, प्यार में जो सितम भी हो कम है, प्यार में सर झुकाना पड़ता है, दर्द में मुस्कुराना पड़ता है, जहर क्यों जिंदगी में भरते हैं, जाने क्यों लोग प्यार करते हैं, जाने क्यों, जाने क्यों, जाने क्यों, जाने क्यों, जाने क्यों.
प्यार बिन जीने ने रखा क्या है, प्यार जिसको नहीं वो तन्हा है, प्यार बिन जीने में रखा क्या है, प्यार जिसको नहीं वो तन्हा
शंकर एहसान लॉय का म्यूजिक है बनीजान, जावेद अख्तर साहब के बोल हैं। ब्यूटीफुल गाना फ्रॉम द मूवी दिल चाहता है। एंड थैंक यू दीपा जोरापरा who has sent so many hearts on Facebook. Thank
Oh
you,
my
thank you,
God!
thank you.
Send us more hearts, more the merrier. Okay? And yes, Meenakshi ji, very good to see you also. आप भी हमें बहुत सारे laugh दे रहे हो. Deepa Jorapura hearts something saying I can't read the whole thing right now. But anyways, if you want to join us, very simple. 408912247. आगे बढ़ते हैं फालतूवाड़ी. How about we talk about the next challenge?
Yeah.
Right? तो
yeah.
अभी तो हमने एक काफी सारे gestures की बात की. So do you want to give a storyline again, or do you want to talk about a gesture? What do you think?
Well, you can give whatever you want, you prefer.
How about we talk about a gesture?
Okay.
Okay. Now we're talking about lovely gestures, right?
Huh.
How about you think of a movie wherein the gesture was how the couple engages in role play.
Huh?
Yeah. That's how the love grows.
Engages in role play.
Yeah, like they act like others, not themselves. They take on different persona and they meet up and everything. It's a very nice, fun game. But at the end of the day, they fall in love with each other. They meet each other not as themselves, but as different personas.
Really?
Yeah. See, Father, you never pay attention. Also.
I don't know which movie you're
This
talking
movie definitely, it made you cry also.
about. No, it did not.
Namaskar, आपका हर स्वागत है पैम पैम में. Who's this? Hello.
Pam 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 pam.
दीपा जी कैसे आप?
कैसे हो
मैं
पापा?
ठीक हूँ, तुम लोग बताओ
क्या बताएं?
क्या आज तो फलतरानी का फेवरेट टॉपिक है आज तो.
Exactly.
तो फालतू नहीं के
तुम्हारा भी होगा ना दीपा?
नहीं, दीपा द pragmatic person.
अच्छा.
और हमारा शो सुन के वो
She
अभी वो
believes in love. Okay, be quiet.
I didn't say who. Okay, I didn't talk about believe in love. She knows what love
She
is,
also
right?
romantic.
Deepa,
Okay.
you know what love is, right?
Yes, I know.
Only problem with Deepa, she
अभी
can't
फिर से
explain what
वही
it
मत
is.
शुरू करो आलतू बाबा सच्ची
No, I'm not. We're going into gestures. We're talking about gestures, yeah. Because I know that the document already have one. I don't want to keep rubbing it into your
One that
nose.
seems so.
So come on, Deepa, let's talk about this. I'm talking about a particular movie. जहाँ पे देखो movies romantic होते हैं. Like her father talked of in the beginning of the movie, right? She said like movies people they're lovely movies and people will not. She said like they'll not remember the small gestures of love. And I'm saying that love is all about the small gestures. Right, so there's one particular movie where they talk about this particular gesture of the loving couple, where they actually engage in something when they meet. Right, they initially are strangers, right, and they meet as strangers. They take on a persona which is not themselves, and it's a beautiful song. Also, right, they meet as not. They know they tell each other lies about themselves. They know that each other are telling lies. So like like they say like oh what we are meeting, but we'll meet as somebody else. कौन सा फिल्म में ऐसा it's like a role play, right? It's like challenging your mind to think of somebody else as something else, and you put on a different face for them.
No, that's so you're meeting somebody else and you're falling in love with somebody else every single time.
No,
Then?
you even know which movie it is, Fatwani?
No, I don't. I'm not able to figure out.
Because you're stuck on the storyline. I'm talking about.
nobody will figure out. क्या कुछ भी आलतू बाबा
Hey, hello,
तुमने
Deepa.
पूरी मूवी देखी है ये
Deepa, this movie I've seen and Father also has seen, okay, because the girl
Okay.
falls in love with a particular persona of the guy, but in reality he's not that. Same with the girl also. In reality she is not that.
What?
Yeah.
अच्छा मुझे लगा तुम लोग पूछ रहे तो हम लोगों का फेवरेट रोमांटिक मूवी कौन सा है.
Then we become the regular idiot. No, what are you talking about, yeah?
The girl
अरे
doesn't
जो
fall with the
romantic- देखो आलतू बाबा जो तुम मूवी बोल रहे हो ना that might be romantic to you but maybe not romantic to me.
Good point. Good point.
Oh, let me see. This is one thing very interesting you bring up. So you're saying that you're not able to understand the gestures, even whether it's a movie
No,
romantic or
नहीं,
not.
gesture वैसे
So
सब
you
समझ
don't
आता है
think.
मुझे,
So you don't think
लेकिन-
role play is important in love.
Doesn't have to be.
नहीं
I don't know.
No, you don't have to have role play.
हाँ मेरे लिए तो ऑल टाइम रोमांटिक मूवी है हम आपके एक और.
Okay, so she's actually taking the show in her own direction. So, Falguni, you please handle her. I'm not good. I think Hum Aapke Ko was the biggest facade of all times. It was not all a love story to me. It was more of something which Suraj Bhattacharyya had a lot of money to spend and people had time to spend.
अरे ऐसा कुछ नहीं. अरे हेलो
हाँ,
हेलो
हाँ.
देखो
जो तुम बोल रहे हो ना तो बाबा स्मॉल जेस्चर,
हाँ.
ये मूवी से अच्छा तुम्हें कोई और
Yeah,
एग्जांपल
excuse me, no, I'm sorry. Bullying a girl, wait, hold on, bullying a girl by throwing a flower on her backside is not at all a good gesture.
Oh
I'm sorry. And then a girl after bullying a guy by hiding his chappals, sorry.
Hello?
And it's so incestual, yeah, within the whole family. What is this, yeah? Seriously.
तो बाबा मेरी बात सुनो,
हाँ.
अभी देखो
हाँ.
बाग बगीचे में जाके अकेले अकेले रोमांस करना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन
अकेले में कोई रोमांस नहीं करता नहीं. हेलो, अकेले में रोमांस करना नॉट कॉल्ड रोमांस. हेलो, अकेले में रोमांस करना नॉट कॉल्ड रोमांस बाय द वे.
अच्छा दीपा, ये पहले ये क्वेश्चन जो पूछा, okay, if you say that although if it's the movie I'm thinking it is that you're referring to,
Yeah, I know.
it is
I know
not
what
that
you're
it
talking about. I
would,
think it's Tamacha.
She knows it.
but she doesn't fall in love with the persona of the guy.
No, but thing
Yes.
is,
They don't do role play.
अरे
They don't do role play.
नहीं, हाँ, वो किसी भी एंगल से रोमांटिक मूवी नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से.
Hey, it
I
is.
don't want to answer.
No, Deepa, that movie is extremely romantic. I think that one of the most romantic,
welcome to Bay Area.
very passionate scenes is where you can feel the chemistry between Ranbir and Deepika. It's like you can take a knife and cut it. That amount of chemistry between the two of them.
Faltu
In
Rani,
that scene
Faltu Rani.
in Corsica. No, seriously.
फालतू रानी
हाँ.
पहली बात तो ये है,
हाँ.
जब प्यार में हो तुम why you want to be somebody else? Why you have to fake your identity?
Wait, my
तो
darling.
पहली
Hello.
नहीं गलत है वो मूवी का. I don't take it.
No. He's not faking. No. Listen. That is why I think the movie is very romantic. I'll tell you why. Hey, wait, Altu Baba. Wait. No, you got to listen to me. Let me finish what I'm saying. Listen to me. Okay, जहाँ पे Altu, stop. It is you set it up very wrong. It is not the way. She is herself.
You
She
feel
falls.
good. You feel good
Altu Baba,
saying I set it up wrong, right?
yeah,
Good.
you did.
Okay.
In that
As long as
he's
you feel good
he's
about
not role playing. He lets his inner child come out when he's at Corsica. If you remember, he talks about Asterix, Obelix, and why he came to Corsica. He talks about the whole thing, and he's completely free and full of life when he's in Corsica. And when he comes back to India, life makes him the way he's supposed to be, that he's got to be serious, he's got to have a job, he's got to work this, he's got to make, and he's living with the confines put on him by society. That is what is the story of the movie.
But Faltrini?
Well, and she says, no, I loved the inner you, the other child who lived in abandon.
Yeah, that's right. That role is better. Is what you
No,
say.
she says that is, bring that out. You're not
That's
showing
what
me
she
your.
said. Isn't that a gesture of
It is
love?
not a
to bring-
facade.
to
He was
bring
not
in-
putting it on.
It was not a facade. I didn't say facade. I said role play.
It is not role play. It is not role play. He wasn't putting on something for her. That is role play.
my
You are
God.
also not being honest with her. Come on.
Why
No,
is he
he
not
was
being
being-
honest with her?
he was being honest with her.
completely honest with her.
And so was she, because both of them brought the inner child out. So Faltoni is saying I'm wrong, so she should go
Chalo
happy.
baba,
Ego
theek
problems.
hai.
Yeah.
अरे ठीक है बाबा.
So, but point is no. The
नहीं है,
point
बस
is
हो
no. The
गया.
point over here is the fact that you don't think that particular movie is a romantic movie.
Yes.
So just because you call a stone water and we call stone a stone doesn't mean that you're right.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Okay, fine. I'll change the whole message.
देखो,
You call
देखो.
sand as silicon and we call silicon as silicon.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
हाँ.
रोमांस इज स्मॉल गेस्टर्स बोल रहे, ये तो बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मूवी तुम लोग जो बोल रहे हो.
हाँ.
It doesn't have to be so
नहीं, but
complicated.
welcome
It
back,
is also
Deepa.
simple. It
Deepa.
can be simple,
Deepa.
breezy,
Deepa.
airy, very nice, very light.
Deepa, life is always complicated.
Yes.
मुझे पता है.
She stopped talking. Deepa, but one thing is, you know
अच्छा
what?
अच्छा
पहले
दीपा
कहीं पे
तुमसे
तो
पूछना
simple
है.
होना चाहिए,
दीपा
भाई.
तुमसे पूछना है. तुम्हारे डोंट से हम आपके हैं कौन, मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आएगा.
Exactly.
What is a very romantic. मैंने देखा नहीं है मूवी, मेरे को मालूम नहीं. तो why what is so romantic in that movie? Tell me one scene which is very romantic that you felt
many scenes. Oh my God.
All the
So
girls,
many
girls
scenes.
expect to wear traditional wear and be like, oh, the guy, superior guy, oh my God, मेरे भगवान में
It is,
राम.
it is.
Yeah, all the girls supposed to, right? The girls supposed to listen
उसमें
to.
वो जब अंताक्षरी खेलेंगे.
नहीं
I
नहीं.
mean, there are many instances. You have to see the movie in order to get the feel of it.
नहीं बहुत complicated है यार दीपा, forget it.
दीपा तू यकीन नहीं मानेगी, अभी फेसबुक में कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, अरे दीपा वेलकम बैक, वी मिस दिस, इट सीम्स
come on, not fair, Aditi. You can't say that. Deepa, just because she calls it, she finds out that she's wrong, doesn't mean that it's acceptable.
She's saying we missed this
Yeah.
Alto and you fighting.
I know, Deepa, why do you always fighting with Deepa? But Deepa, notice one thing. After you came back, Deepa, I see that rejuvenated you totally. You must go more often to India and come.
What?
No, totally
मैं
feel.
तो अभी भी रेडी हूँ मैं फिर
मालूम है ना?
अभी 1 महीने बाद मैं फिर जाने की सोच रही हूँ
अरे जाके आओ ना, because when
मैं
you
भी
come
आएगी
back,
तेरे साथ, दीपा।
when you actually go,
Yes, come on.
सुनो यार, दीपा,
इतना मस्ती करेंगे ना, इतना
दीपू,
मस्ती करेंगे दिल्ली में।
Deepa, listen to me fully, okay? When you went to India and came back, you came back with rejuvenated power. So you tried your level best to convince
Yes.
me of a wrong thing. I said
I
no.
tried and I won.
What one? You're one.
Oh.
We all are one. O-N-E. Yeah. Yes.
हाँ, ठीक है देखो इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ
हाँ. We still love you, Deepa.
compare apples and oranges, right?
No,
तो
we should
तुम
not
लोगों
compare.
के लिए
No,
तो
but you
बात
can,
मेरे लिए
but you
हम
can
आपके
compare.
something.
No, but you can compare apples, oranges to fruit salad.
हाँ, वो तो है
That's
वो
that.
मैं
Yes,
बोल रही
no.
हूँ, वो अलग
Finally,
है, ये
agree
अलग
with me
है,
now.
तो
No,
वही
you
बोल
can.
रही हूँ।
You can't compare apples, oranges. But you can compare apple and oranges to fruit salad.
क्या? What?
कुछ भी आज तो बाबा सच्ची में
What? Just because you don't understand the whole thing. Well, end of the day, love. We love you, Deepa.
हाँ,
See,
I love you
see,
too.
just because, see, but Deepa, I'll tell you one thing. Just because you have a different notion of love doesn't make it like I know that we don't love you. We still love you. Yeah, but to me,
इसीलिए मैंने भी वही बोला तो बात ठीक है तुम लोगों के लिए वो रोमांटिक है मेरे लिए ये रोमांटिक है बस
अबे
ए, है?
दीपा, तो फिर एक मिनट मैं तेरे से पूछती हूँ कि यू सेड दैट अंताक्षरी सीन इज वेरी रोमांटिक, तो तेरे को और गोपाल को बिठा के अंताक्षरी खिलवाए तो रोमांटिक होएगा क्या तेरे
so
को?
sweet. ऐसे करेंगे ना हम लोग.
हाँ, इसीलिए हम लोग पूछ रहे हैं
Hey,
तुम्हारे
you
हिसाब
know
से
why
क्या
she'll accept that one? You know why?
Why?
Oh, there she'll win, no? For Deepa, love means winning. And Deepa, love is not about winning. You know how much I love Faltoni. I always lose in front of her, so she actually wins.
Oh, one day I will tell you, Deepa. One day my book is going to come out where the things
Why,
that
your
I have
book is
been
a-
called.
Your book is
Oh
in-
my
your
God,
book
it's
is a closet.
unbelievable.
Oh, Deepa, you will not forget. You should actually look at that. Faltoni, if you
I'm
look
reading
at,
for that book.
You know,
I'm
don't
gonna-
wait. We can talk
मैं नहीं
about.
थी ना 1 महीने तक बहुत सताया होगा ना आलतू पापा ने
अरे बाप रे, पूछो मत यार.
Even if you're not there, Deepa, before you all Satana is my work. My job is Satana and keep people's life creative. That's what my job is.
हाँ.
But Deepa, very nice to hear your voice. लेकिन आपके वो कहाँ पे आजकल वो कॉल नहीं करते? वही आपके जो
आपके
राम,
romance.
आपके श्री राम.
श्री राम.
हाँ, हम आपके कॉल में वही तो है ना, श्री राम जी.
करते हो तुम लोगों को क्या करेंगे
क्या हुआ?
मुझे क्या?
हुआ?
मुझे
वो मुझे ही नहीं कॉल करेंगे आप लोगों को तो छोड़ो नहीं करेंगे
सीता मैया के पास तो राम जी नहीं गए थे, हनुमान जी गए थे. आप ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो? हाँ, you know, you are a person who understands. हम आपके कौन is romantic means you actually subscribe to that philosophy of man being superior than women. So it's good.
Oh my God.
कुछ नहीं है वो मूवी
कुछ
में
भी हाँ ऐसा ही है ना?
कुछ नहीं।
Of course.
नहीं
Hey यार, सब
नहीं,
लोग
नहीं,
everybody.
नहीं,
हाँ.
no no
We can keep
Very
arguing.
sweet,
Have you
romantic
seen the movie?
One of my
So don't argue.
most favorite movies of all time. मैं हर साल एक बार देखती हूँ वो.
Deepa, now don't tell me when your favorite movie also happens to be Nagin. Because she'll say romantic song है between Amrish Puri
अरे
and
नहीं
हाँ?
वो मैंने कब बोला वो रोमांटिक मूवी है रोमांटिक मेरा फेवरेट नहीं है मैंने बोला
Okay, fine, ठीक है. But anyway, good thing actually you're listening to our shows in your see, one thing is when you actually stop for 1 month listening to our shows, right? Sometimes वो होता है कि the standard drops down again. You got to come back. तो थोड़ा और नहीं मतलब यार कहने का मतलब है कि यार you get to know what. देखो, if you're driving Mercedes suddenly you get into Toyota, right? Coming back to Mercedes will take some time to get used to, no?
कुछ भी आलतू बाबा.
No, you don't think so?
आलतू बाबा.
Deepa got angry.
Yeah, she'll get angry now.
Deepa, you got angry? Hello?
मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी मैं स्टूडियो आऊंगी ना बात करूंगी
स्टूडियो आएगी तो फालतू से बात करना.
वो लोकल है.
वो लोकल-
संभाल के दीपा कब आ रही है बता.
लोकल थोड़ी है वो तो उसको वहां जाने के लिए
अननोटिस आ जाऊंगी एक दिन
नहीं वहां पे जाने के लिए वीजा पकड़े जाना पड़ता है. So I'll have to get my passport open. But anyway, Deepa, wonderful conversation. In fact, everybody is saying, "Oh wow, whose standard drop?" No, Deepa, if people start talking, right? You know, people miss our shows a lot. I'm telling Deepa.
अच्छा अभी ठीक है आलतू बाबा अभी हम आपके कौन सा एक अच्छा सा गाना बजाओ.
हमारे पे कौन में अच्छा गाना कहाँ पे?
उसमें रोमांटिक कौन सा
पहला प्यार है गाना गाओ।
नहीं
गाना लगाओ।
the was a thing was a song which is nice song in that movie, romantic song which Deepa like.
Which one?
यही वही बोल रहे हैं ना, पहला पहला प्यार
दीदी
है।
तेरा देवर
दीदी
दीवाना।
था देवर दीवाना। हाँ।
No,
नहीं वो रोमांटिक नहीं है, वो नॉटी सॉन्ग है।
नहीं वो
पहला पहला प्यार है।
अच्छा उसमें नॉटी सॉन्ग है क्या?
Oh. वैसा नॉटी नहीं यार तू।
You're saying the naughty song?
ए तू क्या सोचता है नॉटी के बारे में? शर्म नहीं आती है तेरे
What? लो।
को? वो मेरा
सच्ची
नाम
में?
मेरी ये टाइप्स।
वो छेड़खानी वाला गाना है, ये रोमांटिक है।
कौन सा वाला गाना रोमांटिक है?
पहला
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 प्यार है।
प्यार
एसपी
है।
बालसुब्रमण्यम।
दीपा उसका चेहरा देखो आलतू का फेसबुक पे।
मैं
It's like, you
बाद
know,
में देखूंगी।
It's like, you know, I'm actually biting into some, you know, lemon which is totally tart. Ugh. Okay, so what is the movie name again? हम आपके कौन is it?
Yeah.
ये भगवान।
हाँ. अरे I got to go check my archives, man. Seriously, I got to go. There's been stuff somewhere to say
We
not to
purge
play.
out some of the
It's a
songs.
non-playing list. हाँ.
देखो
हाँ.
ये ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सब मिलेगा, उधर ही रहता है तुम्हारे पास सब।
अरे मेरे पास सब मिलेगा, डोंट वरी। मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, I got to go find it ना। मैं हम आपके कौन है क्या फिल्म का नाम?
हाँ ठीक है।
How about that
Find it and play.
उसमें एक है ना
चलो, bye.
बाबुल जो तुमने सिखाया वो अच्छा नहीं है?
नहीं है।
वाह वाह राम जी is also nice, no?
हाँ वो अच्छा है।
हाँ, you like which one do you want me to play? वाह वाह राम
Yeah,
जी?
anything.
Or we'll play the
हाँ,
nice
हाँ,
romantic
चलेगा,
song माही
पहला
माही
पहला
मुंडे
प्यार
पे तेरी।
चलेगा।
No.
We'll play a nice
पहला
romantic
पहला
song.
प्यार है भी चलेगा, वहाँ वहाँ राम जी भी चलेगा।
अरे let's do one thing यार, दीपा तेरा भी नहीं मेरा भी नहीं, दिखता 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 ना दिखता ना दिखता
और
ना सब कुछ दिखता ना
मायन
दिखता ना।
मुंडेर पे तेरे बोल रहा है।
क्या दोनों उल्टा उल्टा बोल रहे हैं।
जोगन हो गई तेरी दुलारी, मन जोगी संग लागा।
दिखता ना 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 दिखता ना।
नहीं नहीं वो अलग गाना है, ये अलग गाना है।
Hey, we'll play दिखता दिखता, no, like romantic song. Both are wearing matching black and black attire.
वो रोमांटिक गाना नहीं है, वो फैमिली गाना है।
Hey, family गाना है क्या? Family is romantic, is it? What do you think?
ए आज तो
आज रात को तुम देख लो मूवी।
रात को तुम देख लो, नहीं रात को देख लो, नहीं मिल मैं तो देखता नहीं।
4 घंटे की पिक्चर है, कौन इतना बर्बाद करेगा?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, आज फालतू नहीं, सच्ची में।
मैं सो गई थी।
देखो हमारा हीरो कितना अच्छा
2
दिखता है।
इंटरवल है इस मूवी
Thank
के।
you so much. She talked looking so nice, she said.
अच्छा
Thank you, Deepa. Thank you. You're so sweet, Deepa. Thank you very much.
मैंने बोला सलमान खान अच्छा दिखता है मूवी में।
You said देखो हमारा हीरो कितना अच्छा है। Oh my God.
पॉइंट भी नोटेड विभा, इसको बोलते हैं कैसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट अपने लिए लेना, वही किया अभी आलतू ने।
Hey, now we're not able to make out. Yeah, you're saying all the songs I'm telling you are not romantic. So how is this movie a romantic movie, yeah?
Hello, I told many songs romantic. आलू बाबा,
Chill
you
out,
have a
Deepa.
selective listening,
आलतू,
ठीक है?
Dear,
मैंने
what a-
बोल दिया, 2 गाने बोल दिए, अगर लगाना है तो लगाओ,
Hey,
वरना
बताओ।
मैं खुद सुन लूंगी, ठीक
Which
है?
song?
दीपा तू, मेरे को लगता है तू जैसे चिल्ला रही है ना, तू फोन से उतर के फोन पे चढ़ के वहीं से आ जाएगी।
शुक्र बस फैक्स नहीं है, वरना फैक्स कर देती वो गालियाँ।
हाँ, soon that kind of phone will come, फालतूरानी।
And you can reach out with a stick and patack, you give it all to her.
हाँ तो सही में what are you talking about? Don't talk about end of days, please. अच्छा by the way, Deepa, once again I want to ask you, chocolate lime juice?
Hey!
Chocolate
No.
lime juice. Then
आलतू बाबा मैंने बोल दिया, 2 गाने बोल दिए, माइन, no, not 2, 3 songs।
माइन
मायनी माए
हाँ।
और पहला पहला प्यार है।
हाँ
हाँ ठीक है,
पहला पहला
दोनों
प्यार।
बोल दिया ऑलरेडी।
पहला
और
पहला।
वाह वाह राम जी, 3 गाने बोल दिए, अभी मैं रखूंगी, ठीक है? चलो बाय।
नहीं तो एक और सवाल पूछेगा। हम आपके हैं
That's a good song actually, right? You should play the song.
No.
But yeah, Banujan,
Hey,
here you
wait,
go.
first play Meenakshi Ji's song, yeah?
What is Meenakshi song?
बातों में, you have not played that song.
I have not played Meenakshi song?
No,
How
you did.
could that happen, Fatwani? Banujan, here you go, 1979.
कहिए कहिए
सुनिए सुनिए
कहिए कहिए ना
सुनिए कहते सुनते बातों बातों में प्यार हो जाएगा।
And now, Banujan, this particular song is a testimony as why the Ambanis love Mumbai so much.
कहिए कहिए
और महाराष्ट्रन अमोल पालेकर के साथ में टीना अंबानी।
कहिए ना
सुनिए कहते सुनते बातों बातों में प्यार हो जाएगा। प्यार हो जाएगा।
ये पहली नजर का उफ क्या असर है, तुम्हारी कसम डगमगाए से हम हैं।
ला 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 ला।
नहीं जिस पे काबू, ये है कैसा जादू, मेरे लिए तो सच भी भरम है। सुनिए
कहिए कहिए
सुनिए सुनिए
कहिए कहिए ना।
सुनिए कहते सुनते बातों बातों में प्यार हो जाए।
And of course, Benjamin, we're talking about gestures. Please don't get distracted by this movie called Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. That's exactly what it is. Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. First, to actually talk about those things. But anyway, Benjamin, Deepa ji likes this movie, so don't worry. It's fine. Some people like the movie. That's when they saw the movie, made it successful also, right? Suraj Barjatya has a kind of. Is it Suraj Barjatya movie? Barjatya movie?
Yeah, I think it's them only.
I think
because
they
they're
have-
the ones with that cult following, whatever.
No, probably they are the ones. They must be wedding planners.
Yeah.
They must be having those, big pendals and everything for
Yeah,
shooting.
yeah.
So, very Ranjan, does not change at all. Even now, they actually make sure. But anyway, that's good. Deepa ji के लिए गाना definitely लगाएंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले we have to play something else, right? What some of the song we're supposed to play?
Yes.
Which one?
जाने क्यों लोग प्यार
We already
करें।
played that, right?
Oh, you played it?
Yeah, of course we played it.
Okay.
Right? So anyway, now what's the next chance you're going to give Baltani?
The next movie. Let us see. Okay. You have to play Jag Ghume. I didn't play that. Anyway. And Dil To Okay, never mind. अभी आपको ओके एक और स्टोरी बताती है मैं बताती हूँ तो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा कि ये कौन सी रोमांटिक लव स्टोरी है, ठीक है? बॉय मीट्स गर्ल, okay, both hook up, no strings, no rings, no cares, but lots of dares, ठीक है? Soon they both unhook also and they hook up elsewhere. Now back are the rings and even the wedding dares. Suddenly they realize that they do care. Now what else is there? It's all dares, cares and bears. Totally careless.
The more of bears than anything else.
Yeah, there's a lot of that, bears also.
Yeah.
There's a lot of that. Where
Not
they,
bears. More like
they
Sultan
meet,
bears.
they hook up, they go at it. There's no strings attached.
Hey! The love gesture of love there is the kind of your dares they have.
Yeah, the dares that
The
they
dare
have.
they do, like dare to go there in a particular place.
Yeah, let's
and,
do it.
Going and
Yeah.
going into a posh place and undressing in front of everybody on the table. That kind
Oh
of stuff.
God, yeah, no.
Wonderful gestures of love, Hassan.
Whatever nonsense. No,
Whatever
but they but they also unhook. They also like
Anoop,
because
yes, they had to Anoop to get there, right? So
Altu Baba, stop. When I say unhook, I'm talking about where
Literally.
they split up, Pandujan.
Okay.
And then they hook up with other folks. And then they're almost on the verge of getting married to their respective, there's like rings and stuff like that. There's also to the extent that so much there is disconnect between the two that on a dare they're willing to get married. And suddenly they realize, no, they do actually care about each other.
yeah.
And now, if you haven't seen this movie, it is definitely worth a watch. Beautiful songs in the movie. No, it's not Shankar Loy music. It is, I think, Vishal Shekhar, if I'm not mistaken. And it is a movie that is totally, this is the clue, careless.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely couldn't careless attitude. The folks who have acted in the movie. It's a very light, airy, romantic, but again with a very heavy lift in the end. It gets very, very, very emotionally charged towards the end. कौन सी मूवी है आपको बताना है? अगर आपने नहीं देखी है मैं आपको बताऊंगी थोड़ी देर में. 408-912-2479.
And of course, Deepa ji, no matter the choice of film is somewhere down there in the list. I will play this song for you because unbelievable how Salman Khan plays the banjo. Oh, see, the girl's supposed to feel shy. Girl's supposed to bring the drinks. Girl's supposed to be dedicated to the kitchen part of it. So what a wonderful story for keeping women in line, huh, Fatwani?
Huh.
Huh? So, Deepa, here you go. Is there a long lead in for the song?
I don't know, man.
And he actually goes to the kitchen, turns light off and all. Oh my God, Deepa, what else going on?
Are you
here?
doing Pehla Pehla Pyar Hai?
Yeah. I'm not
Hey,
doing
you know, I think I know why Deepa likes the song.
because Salman Khan.
Nahi.
Then?
In India, it's all like this, right? When it generally happens when there's like a big wedding being planned,
Yeah, and the
families
girl-
are together.
and then the boy and
the
girl go into under
will
the
hook up,
staircase.
Yeah. They
Eee,
go under
yuck.
the staircase, they'll hook up in the kitchen and all that. Maybe
Oh.
Deepa reliving some of her
Oh my God! And then he undoes her tresses. Tresses, hair.
hair.
पहला पहला प्यार है पहली पहली बार है पहला पहला प्यार है पहली पहली बार है जान के भी अनजाना कैसा मेरा यार है पहला पहला प्यार है
खुश तो बहुत होगी तुम दीपा.
पहली बार है
And of course, Banjan, this particular song, voiced by S.P. Balasubramaniam, the late S.P. Balasubramaniam.
Hey Vibha, it's not so bad, yeah. Why yuck? What did she say, yuck?
I don't know.
I don't know.
And then he gets to carry her and go around like, like she's an object.
Oh,
Puts her on the billiard table.
oh God,
Oh
why?
my God, that's what happens in this.
Tell him it's a different kind of a ball game.
But at that time, all the guys had the cojones for it.
उसकी नजर पलकों की चिलमन से मुझे देखती उसकी नजर उसकी हया अपनी ही चाहत का राज खोलती उसकी हया छुपके करे जो वफा ऐसा मेरा यार है ओ, पहला पहला प्यार है पहली पहली बार है
And of course, Banjan, that was a song which I dedicated to Deepa ji because she loves this particular song. And of course, this also Fatwani. After everything, they got to go outside in the rain and she's got to get drenched. Yeah.
She gets drenched in the
But
rain.
here's one thing, Fatwani. Salman Khan said, why should only the hero get it? I also go drenched. And he wears a banyan and goes out.
White banyan, no?
White banyan he wears.
Yeah, he-
Whereas she's wearing nighty.
Do you know, even in this, I think Salman Khan likes getting wet in the rain. And she's
See?
wearing a nighty, yeah.
Whatever it is.
Like, that's a dress, man.
Oh, really? That's a dress?
That's not a nighty.
Okay. As good as 90 right now.
Oh, God.
But at that time, I think 90s are a very warped concept of fashion and all.
Oh, it's not yucky, it's romantic.
Who said that?
What? Going and making out under the stairs, it seems.
Yeah.
She's asking, you said yuck. Why did you say yuck?
Huh.
Making out under the stairs, and that's why she said yuck, it seems. She's
Ah.
asking, why is that yuck?
Come on, Deepak, tell them no. What is this?
What?
What?
Deepa is not saying making out under the stairs is yuck.
I know that's why she knows. No, she knows the pleasures of that, right? You actually can look up to things. Yeah, when you're under the staircase.
Altu Baba.
What?
What nonsense are you talking?
What? Like I'm talking about, Anyway, it's fine. Continue further, Fatani. One of the next. Nobody knows about the movie you're talking about. It's not
Hey,
romantic.
come on!
It will not fall in the category of romance. I'm sorry.
It is a romantic movie, yaar.
Really?
Yes, it is a romantic
Okay,
movie.
but then एक और बार उनको दे दो Fatani. Probably they'll know and they call.
Okay. The number to call us at the studio is 408-912-2479. Panajan, the movie that I'm talking about is a fairly recent movie. It came out, I think, 2018 or 2018, I think it came out, or 2017, I'm not sure. Actually, 2018 mein aaya. It's a movie where a boy meets a girl. They both hook up. No strings attached, but there's no rings, no cares. There's a lot of dares. They dare each other to do this, to do that, and they have like a lot of the gestures of love is doing awkward things in public kind of thing. And then they unhook also in the sense that they decide to break up also because of the fact that they're each not.
So they're like on again, off again.
No, they decide to break up because a certain expectation comes from the person that you're being with, right? You're hoping that someday along the road, he will give me a ring, he will propose or whatever. And that expectation builds up and he doesn't. And then they decide to break up. And then eventually, because they're looking for stability, they decide to get hooked up somewhere else. And rings are popped by their respective partners or whatever. And then to the extent that because this person is not willing to propose, they go to the level of a wedding, and then finally they realize that they would lose each other forever.
Wow.
And then they decide, okay, let's declare love for each other, and then they get married.
I appreciate one thing, Fatwani.
Yeah.
The patience of our caller
Huh.
who's been online all the way.
Oh, really? There's been a Bandhu. Why didn't you tell me? Waste
Hello,
fellow.
Pam. Pam, was this? Hello.
Pam Pam.
It was the same thing. I listened to you on radio. I listened to you on the line.
I know, Aditi. How we doing?
Hi, how you doing?
What
Doing good.
a
I
relief
was
Deepa
so
is
happy
here.
to hear Deepa's back,
I know.
and I love when Deepa calls.
You won't believe it. Deepa finally said she wants such many songs. Oh, I meant to say no. She's going to suggest songs. Deepa, I'm just kidding, okay? But nice masala she brings in. Like putting a star anise into a biryani.
Star anise into the biryani.
Yeah.
What star anise? What do you
Star
know?
anise is like that spice.
Oh God.
You already biryani spicy. Put star anise gives one kind of a different flavor to it.
Yeah.
So very good. So let's. Oh, hello? Was that Sheru?
What?
Yeah. Hi,
Huh?
Sheru.
Yeah.
Ah, Sheru's going, ooh, yes, she's laughing at my joke. I told you. Kids get me, man, totally. So come on, Aditi, tell us which is that movie she's talking about. She gave one big lecture about a thing.
Basically, that was easy.
That was easy. See, I
That
told
was
you,
easy. Have you
Fatwani.
seen it?
Yeah, and unfortunately watched that movie.
She doesn't like the movie.
Unfortunately, why? Why unfortunately?
Stupid, man.
What is stupid about? Tell me what is stupid.
It
Tell
doesn't
me.
happen that
Really.
way, Fatwani.
Kya? What nonsense? It happens all the time.
Only in your life, Fatwani.
Hey,
Oh,
not
what?
about my
I
life.
guess it's okay. It just has a very predictable plot line.
True,
It's
exactly.
nothing different.
With you totally on this.
It does get corny and cheesy in the end, but because they
Yeah.
have to end up together and all
Why?
that.
Why
But,
should they
but
do-
hey, you know what? If you really care about somebody, then you could go that extra mile. You
And
know
what?
I mean?
You're saying, talking about polyamory right now?
No.
Then why are you talking about extra mile then?
अबे तेरे को शर्म नहीं आती? Everything is not about transgressing boundaries.
What? I
okay?
don't
Stupid
know.
fellow.
You told about extra mile.
I-
Aditi,
I-
did I say anything? She was the person who said that thing, right?
I said you would go the extra mile to declare your love for the person, whatever, dude.
Whatever, Duda.
Seriously.
Okay, fine. Aditi, you got the point, right?
No, but I'm curious, like, how do you define romance?
Huh,
Because the
thank you.
movies that you're choosing has a pattern in
Yeah.
all the movies of angst.
Correct. My
There's
point
angst
exactly.
in all
Which
of them.
Hindi movie doesn't have angst, darling? Please tell me.
So you're saying love is angst?
Every movie has angst in it.
So-
Which Hindi
Not
movie?
necessarily.
Yeah, thank you. Tell it to her.
The
Yes.
angst, it depends on where the angst comes from. What I'm talking about is your love. What's that Karan Johar movie that you all love? You always say those songs.
I
Eh,
don't
Dil Hai
talk about-
Mushkil.
Hai Dil Hai Mushkil. Okay,
Uh-huh.
then Tamasha.
Yeah.
And basically, all of these, the angst comes from, unrequited, almost unrequited, or forlornness or whatever. Right? So, you're very attracted to those kind of movies, but movies like Hum Aapke Kaun and all of that, you're
Exactly.
like, ew.
Yeah, that's like so cheesy.
Hey,
Ew.
excuse me, even Hum Aapke Kaun got angst in it.
But cheesy is a type
Are you
of
telling-
romance.
Hey, darling, what? There is no angst. Her sister dies. She's supposed to marry sister's husband.
Oh, so much of angst.
All
in
that
it.
nonsense is
Is
there.
that not good?
Bukwas.
What a story hai. We are talking about romance. The
Arey,
romance part
darling.
of the
So
movie.
we are talking about romance only. I mean, the amount of abandon in
Wait, I
the-
want to ask
the-
her one thing. So you're saying that romance should be without angst. I agree with you on this.
Yeah.
Dude, ये तो बहुत ही गलत logical argument निकाला है. I am talking about the examples that you all have thrown are all full of angst, and I'm like, is that your definition of romance, or you do accept romance of other types?
Hey, but we're not talking romance, we're talking Te Amo right now.
Yeah. Exactly. We're talking about love stories. We're talking about love stories.
Hey, romance is different.
We're not
category.
talking about this is Altu putting the gesture of romance in
हाँ,
between.
तो अभी पलट दिया, अभी romance के बारे
नहीं
में
नहीं
बात
listen
करें,
listen
फिर
नहीं
हम
नहीं
उसके
लेकिन
बाद-
लेकिन लेकिन I have a counterpoint to what you just said.
Ah, yes, yes.
We are asking you for romantic moments or in the movie. We never even said that it's
Yeah.
not, or one of the movies that is the most romantic movie that you've seen. Whether you like it or not, each one of these movies has absolutely impeccable moments of romance in every one of the movies that we just outlined. I don't know, Hum Aapke Hai Kaun I haven't seen, so
Neither have I.
I can't judge
Yeah,
that.
but I can still judge it. What?
But in every movie, every Hindi movie, whether it's a classic love story or not, from the Mughal-e-Azam to today, everything is, there will always be a what do you call, including the movies like Two States, there'll always be one twist of angst in it.
Yeah, but let me ask you, Aditi, what do you think? You're saying that love love doesn't have angst? Or
No,
they
no,
can't
that's
be?
not what I'm saying.
Huh?
I'm saying that the
Story we
different movies
picked. Yeah.
when I'm talking about angst, I'm talking about specifically in the romantic relationship. Of course, every movie has angst in it,
Uh-huh.
but not necessarily in the romantic relationship. The angst could be about something else, right?
Good point. Yeah.
So what I'm talking about is just that I observe that the movies that you generally like
Mm-hmm.
have angst in the relationship itself. It's
No,
just
no.
an observation.
No, the thing is, we are liking based on a particular set of stories written with angst in it. Now, if there's a story which doesn't have angst, tell us, we'll be liking that
Yes,
also.
we would like, yeah, exactly.
So, can you tell us a story which doesn't have that thing in a relationship?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Take
We might
the-
not know. As you know, I
So
don't
you're
watch.
saying that every Bollywood movie has angst in the romantic relationship?
Yes.
No,
Come on,
we're-
there are
no,
so
we are
many
saying- no,
stories
no,
that
we are
have
saying-
nothing to do with romance.
So,
The
no.
storyline is completely different.
So let me say, we are not saying every. The stories that we know of.
Yeah.
As you know, established, we have not seen all the movies.
Yeah.
It's not possible to see all the movies also, I suppose. Probably you can, but I don't know. We have not seen it. But why saying most of the movies which you know of are popular in the industry. People actually have gone and seen them, boxes with hits and everything. They have those things in it as angst already in it. But आज angst की बात नहीं कर रहे हम लोग, आज love की बात कर रहे हैं. And आपने बोला कि हमारा जो भी pick है उसमें angst है. तो आप बताइए कोई ऐसा story, love story, which doesn't have the angst in it.
Exactly.
In the relationship.
I mean, if you're taking a love story, then obviously they're going to be focusing in the love relationship. I'm talking about general, like Hum Aapke Hai Kaun is not a love story. It's a story about a family that loses one of their daughters and they recommend the second daughter to get married to the damad. That
Correct.
is the storyline.
Yes.
It is not a romantic
Please
story.
tell them to
There
Deepa.
happens to be romance as a normal ingredient in every Hindi movie.
Correct,
right?
correct. That's why we say it doesn't fall under romance. But Deepa argues that it's a romantic movie.
And yeah, that's one. And the second part is, there is romance, darling, and there is angst that comes in. Life is all about angst.
Yeah, but
Life throws in the angst in there.
But I think you're mixing up
Yeah.
general angst. Angst could come from a bad guy. Angst could come from
Anywhere.
a bad relationship. Angst could come from a father who doesn't agree to it. Angst could come from anything, right?
No, but
angst
Faltu,
could
you
come
know-
from poverty. Angst
Like-
could come.
True,
It could be
true.
a sports movie with a love angle in it.
Yes.
Because all Bollywood movies have love angles.
Yes.
in it.
So, Faltu, I want to say one thing here. Aditi's got hit the nail on the head of that because the topic was of Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. Hum Aapke Hai Kaun is not a romantic movie. It's a storyline.
Correct.
And the story is different. So,
Correct.
And there is love in that particular story. As a love angle, love whatever it is, that a track is there. Of love.
Which is not again
main.
fulfilled.
Yeah, it's
which
not-
which is sort of like it goes through a lot of.
I haven't seen the movie. I can't comment
I
about
think
it.
so because I don't know whether they get married in the end or not. But she's supposed to marry the
Let's
the
ask the
brother-in-law.
specialist. No, we have a
Yeah.
specialist story. Aditi, did they get married at the end?
Yeah, of course. There's always happy ending in all Hindi movies. I mean,
Wait,
that's
you
not
seem
the point.
disappointed.
The point is that
Hello, you seem
that
disappointed.
romance has got a lot of definitions and a lot of permutations, and to just pigeonhole it into one type is very limiting.
I know, that's why we keep all the pigeonholes open. right?
Exactly. So clearly, then obviously the other argument also applies, right? That the movies that we are talking about, which are romantic, will have angst coming from different angles. There's so many things into the movie.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Such a beautiful topic. I thought Father is going to come up with a Teyamo.
This is Aartu Hum Aapke Hai Kaun nonsense.
I did all those things. I just told you do what you want to Father. She chose Teyamo, romantic songs. But look at discussion.
I said love stories, Rascala. I asked people to identify the love stories. You changed the whole thing to gesture of romance.
I didn't do that. No, I just Aditi is laughing now. What do you think?
So what does Ti Amo actually mean? Ti Amo means
I love you.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
So, I
Simple.
mean, then you're talking about romantic movies only.
Yeah.
We are talking about love stories where
never brought Hum Aapke Kaun Par.
eventual how the love comes together in the end. Or we have not talked about Unrequited. We have only talked about. I didn't talk about Ae Dil Hai Mushkil today.
Yeah.
We talked about how they eventually they come around, even if there is
Yeah.
a breakup. How they come around and the
Including Tamasha was same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. They come around. They meet after. They actually resolve their issues.
Yeah, so
and
we're talking about love stories and all the और क्या होगा? I mean, हर love story में कुछ ना कुछ तो पंगा होता ही है, right?
yes.
But if you take a movie like a sports movie, then generally any movie, right? And then I mean that's not a love story, right? It's a completely different story. So then the argument is moot anyway.
Very good. So good. So point is you understood what you're talking about. Thank God. Because actually Deepa came from India. She
The
came with so much of
point is
energy.
not that I understood Altuba, but the point is that तुम विषय से भटके और तुम सियामो से रोमांस तक चले गए और कुछ और ही करने लगे.
मेरा काम
वो
वही है
point
ना. मेरा काम सबको भटकाना है.
अरे तेरे हिसाब से लेकिन
but
love and
they-
romance.
If I don't do that, won't it be a plain simple thing? Should make it interesting, yeah. Throw in a little bit of tadka, throw in a little bit of mixture along with all the food.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah, yeah,
Every
I know.
time
Farzan required, yeah. Come
every
on.
time we do Te Amo,
हाँ.
इसका कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा कीड़ा निकलता है.
मेरा
He will either make it like Te Amo बोले तो
People-
sad tragic stories है. Te Amo बोले तो angst है. हमेशा आदमी को रोना पड़ता है. Te Amo बोले तो नहीं ये ठरकी है. क्या? This is not about
Hey,
love. This is about lust.
That's because
तो ऐसे बात करता है.
That's because-
हर एक बार उसका पूरा सत्यानाश MBA कर देता. I
out
mean,
of 12 years, we have done Te Amo at least 15 times, Ray. 15 times we've done this topic, okay? And every time I never got the answer of what love is. These guys not able to tell me that. So what am I supposed to do? Right? Aditi? You agree with me, right?
no, I agree with you.
She's like, Maunam Sammati Rakshanam. She's like, nothing. She's like, oh, Altuba, I can't argue with you. Hey, but it was actually nice to actually hear you and Deepa. What happened, Padri? Something? Oh, you
Charger.
want of charger.
So, ठीक है. So, what is a very romantic movie according to you, Ray?
Please tell me. Don't say Karan Arjun.
romantic movie.
Don't say Karan Arjun.
पता नहीं movie तो है नहीं इतना, but there are a lot of good scenes.
हाँ बोलो.
And yeah, I mean there are so many good scenes, right? You can think about in Bollywood. Like that scene in Kartik calling Kartik where they're in the disco and
Oh,
I love that.
yes, I
That's
love
such a
that
cute
scene.
scene.
Yes,
Hey,
yes.
but actually that is a very nice movie, right? I think I like the movie.
I like the movie. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Kartik Karan calling.
there's also this was one scene. Actually, I was talking about Dilshad and I was thinking about that scene.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know about romantic, but it's actually very enlightening, that scene where I don't know if you remember, this was Amir Khan says it or something else, because they're like really, he's really pissed at her because she's getting married to somebody else, and then he tells her like, don't worry about me or anyone, ask yourself, are you like getting what you want? Like first you need to be clear about it.
Yeah.
And I thought that was like, that movie had some really good, like philosophical.
Yeah,
scenes.
and of course, if you want to confuse somebody, tell them, do you know exactly what you want? That's a classic way to confuse somebody. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I would tell that to people.
Oh, and that that entire song, yeah, Chaudhary Ka Chand is like the most romantic thing ever.
Oh, really? So you would like to be sung that song, is it?
Isn't it too fake?
No.
It is too
Hey,
Oh
it's
my
fine.
God,
So
are you kidding me? The lyrics of that song are the best, and then picturizing it on
Aditi-
Vaida Rahman is like amazing.
yeah, Aditi looks like Vaidya Rahman when she's sleeping.
How do you know?
Probably. That's what she wants.
Also, Baba.
Probably. That's what she likes the song.
कहाँ तक? मतलब मुझे अगर वो सॉन्ग रोमांटिक लगे तो मैं वहीदा रहमान हो गई. वाह.
Why not, yeah? So.
It's too fake, yeah.
Hello?
For me, it's too fake. I'm like, what the?
It's a lover's perspective, man. Probably Mr. Aditi is looking at her that way and saying, tu
Mr.
charge.
Sheru ka pop.
Sheru
I'll tell
Papa.
you one more. I'll tell you one more very nice.
हाँ.
अरे I'll tell you very good romantic. मुझे कोई शर्म नहीं है इसमें.
अरे शर्म की बात हमारे पास नहीं है, don't worry.
It's, what is that? The song in Pakistan where they're like on the boat and then he's that one. No, not her. She sings. Chalo dil dad, chalo.
That is.
And the cake.
I agree. That is a romantic song. There's another romantic song which, what is that? In which Shammi Kapoor sings. What is that song, man? Which I love.
Which you love, huh?
The Mohammed Rafi song.
Badan pe sitare?
Oh, I
No.
know which one you're talking about.
No.
Ehsaan tera hoga.
Exactly.
Oh, so sweet.
What lyrics? That is
Udu
romantic.
lyrics, yes, wonderful. Yes, I agree with you.
उड़ के
felt like he was like a baby. नहीं ऐसा नहीं कह रहा हूँ.
Who's the baby?
नहीं, yeah, what nonsense, yeah. Seriously, that's such a beautiful song. It's such a
Why are you
beautiful
crying, dude? Relax.
Who's crying?
अरे अदिति थोड़ा डीप उतरो, कैरेक्टर में उतरो, फिर सोचो.
What do you mean? Hold on. Who's crying now? Shammi Kapoor cries in this?
Yeah.
Look at Shammi Kapoor and think romance. The guy is
What?
too jolly. Jolly, yeah.
Oh no.
He's too
No.
cute, is what people say.
He. For me, he's the epitome of romantic hero. No, actually no. Devanand.
Yeah, Devanand, yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that entire movie is amazing. Tere Ghar Ke Samne. That whole movie is romantic. Guide, Tere Ghar Ke Samne, it's amazing.
Hey, which is that the song? And then
घर के सामने एक घर बनाऊंगा.
is that the
Yeah.
movie in which there's that she's looking through the
I have not seen it.
like there's a beautiful song there.
Well, she's looking through a window.
There's a song where they
Peeping
like go, I think it's Qutub Minar, one of the minarets. They've shot it on that and they keep climbing up.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
beautiful
Dil
song.
ka bhavar kare pukar.
Yeah.
And then
That's nice.
No, that's a romantic. That's romance.
Yeah, that's romance. Yeah.
That's a wonderful gesture,
Actually,
taking them
Nutan
out.
does this very well, right? She does
Yeah.
a good romantic scene.
You know, those are gestures we should actually bring it back. Nowadays, how many of us actually take somebody to lighthouse and walk around in
Light
circles?
आजकल बंद हो गया है कुतुब
बंद हो गया.
मीनार.
They want lighthouse over
भी
here.
बंद हो गया.
Lighthouse बंद हो गया.
Romance बंद.
See, romance बंद हो गया. Not good, yeah. You should actually do
आजकल
this.
रोमांस बोले तो ऐसे चुम्मा चाटी करने का बस लगा देने का. That's the way it
Hey,
is.
hello, what do you
Seriously,
mean?
that's
You're
what
a
they
family
do.
show, yeah. Sheryl listens to what लगा देने का.
मेरे को क्या मैं लगा देना तू क्या सोचा?
मैं हूँ क्या बोल? आदित्य
मेरे को तो वो
सोची.
scene लगा देने
आदित्य
का.
ने आदित्य ने अपने कान बंद कर लिया अभी आदित्य ने.
कुछ भी रैंडम.
No, आदित्य.
शर्म कर.
शेरू को बड़ा चुम्मा चाटी लगाती हूँ.
हाँ शेरू deserves it. शेरू deserves it. Anyways, अच्छा बच्चा है. Very good. तो वेरी गुड. तो हियर्स द थिंग आदित्य, आपने काफी सारे गाने बता दिए. इस डीजे का ख्याल करो. आई गॉट लाइन द सॉन्ग फॉर यू. पिक वन सॉन्ग.
Now you choose.
No, I choose. Okay, I'll choose a song. Oof, Teri Ada. How about that?
Ah, that's a good one. Yeah.
Okay, I'll learn for you. And yes, Befikre was the right answer, which you guessed perfectly right.
And
Yes.
Aditi has got good taste in music like us. That is also Shankar Sar Loy
बड़ी
song.
मेहरबानी मुझे
Hey, no,
approval
excuse
मिल
me.
गई यार. आलतू
नहीं 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 say नहीं नहीं Aditi, please. I will not say that. I will not.
आलतू आगे.
नहीं नहीं I will not say that. I will not say that. I don't want to unnecessarily. I think that you have very good taste because you chose to listen to us.
Yes, exactly.
That's all.
Music भी मैं बोल रही हूँ.
अरे म्यूजिक का
Because
सेकंड
she
है.
picked Shankar Sar Loy.
अरे शी इज गॉट दैट परख है उसको. वो शेरू की माँ है वो. उसको
अच्छा.
परख है. वेरी गुड. थैंक
शेरू
यू.
की माँ है वो.
And next time I talk to your mother-in-law, I'll tell her what a wonderful parent you are. Exposing kids to this kind of program is important.
ये ना घुमा सुना के वही.
Huh? What happened?
घुमा फिरा के mother-in-law पे आए.
Why? I think every girl has to have this. They have this thing to please their mother-in-law.
Why wouldn't you tell my father-in-law? Why mother-in-law?
Because father-in-law already sold on you. He's like a wonderful. No, anything other than my.
पूछ भी, हाँ?
Of course, every father-in-law knows.
पूछ के.
No, every father-in-law knows that you're not like the mother-in-law, so they like you.
Oh!
What?
क्या बोला रे तू?
I mean, they can't be two of the same people. So it's but
See,
think.
don't try to save yourself, Asma. You're just digging your grave deeper.
I like to go deep.
छोड़ दे.
I like to go deep. By the way.
Yeah,
अच्छा, by the way, you
stop.
can even tell. Sheru saying. Sheru agree with you, Sheru. Fine.
You also object.
He objects. Fine. Okay, I'll tell your father-in-law also. Don't worry. Okay.
Done.
Please give me his number or ask him to contact us. We'll tell them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Riddhi. Thank you so much. Have fun. I'll play this nice song for you. Alright.
Okay, thank you so much for calling in. Have a beautiful one.
Bye bye. And of course, बच्चन जग घूमिया के बाद में हम आएंगे फरहान अख्तर के गाने के बारे में. लेकिन फाल्तनी, do you want to give us a next line, story, line? No.
नहीं हो गया आलतू बाबा.
हो गया खत्म.
6:49.
तो ये गाने का we'll end with other song, right?
Yeah.
लेकिन ये गाना सुनिएगा मिर्जन बिकॉज मीनाक्षी जी इज वेटिंग. उनका फेवरेट सलमान खान का गाना है फ्रॉम मूवी सुल्तान.
ना वो अखियां रूहानी कहीं, ना वो चेहरा नूरानी कहीं, कहीं दिल वाली बातें भी ना वो सजरी जवानी कहीं. जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई. ना तो हंसना रुमानी कहीं, ना तो खुशबू सुहानी कहीं, ना वो रंगली यादें देखी, ना वो प्यारी सी नादानी कहीं। जैसी तू है वैसी रहना, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई।
Vishal Shekhar. Is this Vishal Shekhar Altwala or
Oh,
Pritam?
I got to check. It is Vishal Shekhar, yes. And Rahat Fateh Ali Khan's voice. No, Rahat Fateh Ali, I think the song is... we already played. I hope you're happy listening to the song. You know, Faltani, I want to actually ask people, today's TMO, I'm not distracted. Okay, fine. Let me come back to the point. So, ending with a nice, lovely song. How about the Faltani?
Well, I'm just going to say one thing, Munajan. Te amo, I love you is not just a statement. It's something that we need to tell the people that we love throughout
And gestures
as
because...
many times as we can.
And gestures because I strongly believe action matters. कुछ नहीं यार, एक रोज लेके जाओ, खत्म, right?
हाँ, exactly. And this is both ways. आदमी हो या औरत हो, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It's about expressing your love for each other.
Yeah,
and
but it's not that
angst,
सवेरे सवेरे चाय बनाओ.
हाँ, रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में एंगस्ट रहेगी. ट्रैफिक का एंगस्ट है, बच्चों का एंगस्ट है, ग्रेड्स का एंगस्ट है, कॉलेज का एंगस्ट है, बिल्स का एंगस्ट है. हर जगह जहाँ पे भी घूमो एंगस्ट ही एंगस्ट है. लेकिन प्यार हमेशा विल टाइड अस थ्रू बन जाए. वो याद रखते हुए और उन मोमेंट्स को ट्रेजर करते हुए जो आप उन मोमेंट्स को बनाते हुए हम आपको बोलना चाहते हैं कि enjoy your beautiful evening and enjoy the rest of the days that you're spending with your loved ones as much as you can. And इसी के साथ हम बोलेंगे हम कल मिलेंगे आपसे right here on Radio Rihari's with Good Morning Bay. Good night, शब्बा खैर and प्यार भरा.
And at this prayer song by Januf Teri Ada from the movie Karthik Calling Karthik Bhajan, the voice of Shankar Mahadevan and Alisa Mendoza. Shankar is some large composition, and of course you would know lyrics is by Papa Akhtar, that is Javed Akhtar. And of course Bhajan, like her father said, summary mein you will life mein you have this angst, that right? Enjoy Bhajan. Download the app, you have downloaded it as now. I have your friends download it also. And मिलेंगे आपको कल सवेरे.
Hi, this is Farhan Akhtar and you're listening to Radio Rihari's, where the entertainment just keeps getting hotter.